Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In last video, we had created a role-based app by creating a Dataverse table with the email ID and role, which had two modules, employee and admin. In this video, we will be adding more functionality to both the modules and we'll be talking about containerization. Let me show you how the app works. So in the employee login, it says welcome employee, and if we have admin as the logged in user, it would display a welcome admin message. Now let's get started, and in this we have a container already present over here. So container basically helps us to group all the elements present within that container. So this is a standard container. In this we will be adding 3 buttons like this. So this will be a horizontal container. So if we want to stack items in a row, it will be horizontal. Now we add 3 vertical containers in order to have the button and text which can be stacked on top of another. So we add 3 vertical containers in order to have 3 different buttons for it. This should be outside this container in the main horizontal container. So this is how it looks. It has been perfectly partitioned into 3 parts. And if you see the fill portion, it is one of 3. One. So it is taking one of the 3 parts. Same goes for this one. And the last one as well. In the advanced setting, we will now be changing the height and width. The width here is a hard-coded value. Whenever we change it like this, it is a part of the standard container now. So this is the purpose of a standard container, to group all the elements. Now let me change the width of the first container. That will be the width of parent container divided by 3. And the parent container here is the horizontal container. Same goes for the second one. And the last one as well. This helps to make us the entire functionality as dynamic. Now here we want a button over here and a text below this. So we add a button. Since this is a vertical container, it will stack one above the another. For the button property, we will have to fix the width and height. So the width here should be the parent dot width, which is the vertical container's width. And we will also change the icon style. Let it be an outline one. And let me change the height. The height should be, it should be parent dot height minus a value, because we again want it to be a dynamic value. I think 100 will look better. Yes. Now we add text in this container itself. We again change the width to the parent dot width and height as well. So this will be parent dot width, and the height will be the entire parent's width minus this button's width. So this will be minus this button's width. Let me copy this, and in the text okay, this was the entire container. We need to change the width of the text. So width is already parent dot width, and the height will be parent dot height minus the button's height, which was button canvas 2 dot height. Same goes for other two modules as well in the vertical containers. But first let me add an icon over here and let it be a calendar, because it will be a pending leaves module. And let me increase the size. Okay, this looks better, but we can improve it. Great. Okay, 100 looks good. Now we also change the properties for the text label, and we want here to be apply for leaves. This should be center. So this is the containers property. Where would you like to align the container in the original parent container? And this is for the text. It should be in middle. I will also increase the size. Okay, 20, no 30. This looks better. It should be bold, semi-bold maybe. Yes, this looks nice. Now we implement the same for the other two vertical containers. Now we add the same functionality for the second vertical container. Again we add a button, change its width, change its height, we change the type, it will be an outline one, we change the icon, so this I will be using so we don't have anything related to tools, so maybe a document one will look good. Let me see the size. It is 100. We will have the same size for this button, 100. Okay, now let me add a text button for it. We change the width We change the height and we change the text. It will be payroll and benefits. Width will be parent dot width. We change the height. Minus the button's height. Okay. Button canvas 4 dot height. We change the font size. It will be semi bold in the center. 30 and alignment. This looks good. We save it. Now same goes for the third container. We add a button, we change the width, we change the height. We change the type to outline type. Okay, now we change the icon. We can have something info no, search no, a warning. Okay, to raise a service request or a ticket. We change the font size. This should be 100. We add a text. And for this I saw a money button, so maybe this will look better. Yes. And here I add a text. Change the width, change the height. And we change the height to parent dot height minus the button's height. Dot height. We change the text. It will be raise a ticket. We change the font size. We make it semi bold. We change the alignment. And we now save it. So that was all working with the containers. See you in the next video. Thank you.